Hi guys, welcome to Winnie Styles. I want you guys to please check out this classic and sophisticated short natural haircut for women that really want a touch of elegance. This haircut is perfect for women with fine hair and it suits all face shape. So whether you have the round face or you have the oval face, this cut is also a great choice for you because it's timeless and you can see how it's stylish. Another beautiful thing about today's haircut is that it is a bold, very short pixies for women that want to make a statement. You can see how it features extremely short hair with striking element. Sometimes you can try some good colors that are so vivid or sharp lines. You can also go for a haircut that is perfect, like this, because it's for women with thick or even fine hair. So if you really want to showcase your personality, this cut is that very choice, for women that really want a bold, modern look. I also love this beautiful style because it's so gorgeous, and for you to maintain the style, please try using a strong hold styling gel, and don't forget regular trims every 4 to 6 weeks will help to keep this haircut looking so fresh and fine. And you can see how the style will really suit every personality and hair type. And you can see from this beautiful style there is a cut for everyone, because this cut not only provides a fresh look, but it also offers that ease of maintenance and versatility. So if you're really inspired to try one of those chic cuts we have today, please, I would like you to let us know in the comment section below. Some people ask of my location. Don't forget that you can do this hair within your area or any of your local barbers or hairstylists around, but just make sure that they leave the two sides short and leaving a longer hair on the top. If they can't coil it for you, go home and go to the market. Just get some simple coiling cream. It's not something that you need to break the bank for. It's something you can get at cheaper prices all around you, and they're going to give you can even give yourself this particular style you are looking for. Or check out some of my videos where you will see some DIYs and tips on how you can style a short natural haircut at home. With this in mind, let me just let you guys have the rest of the style, and please help to watch this video to the end, and don't forget to subscribe if it's the first time here in Wendy Styles. Hit the like button, hit the notification bell to always be notified whenever we upload a new video. Let us know your mind in the comment section below. I just want to appreciate my returning subscribers. I want to appreciate my new subscribers. Welcome to Wendy Styles, and see you in my next upload.